Welcome to the world of EnviroTabs. Next to your home, the vehicles you drive will probably be your largest personal investment, and EnviroTabs wants to help you protect that investment and help protect the planet at the same time. With over 700 million passenger vehicles in use worldwide today and countless more recreational vehicles, it's no wonder we face the staggering challenges of massive harmful hydrocarbon emissions and the dangerous effects they have on the air we all breathe every day. Well, now with EnviroTabs, you can go from being part of the pollution to being part of the solution. Our revolutionary green fuel technology is one of the most effective and eco-friendly options available in the marketplace today. Plus, EnviroTabs actually pays you back each and every time you use it, and you'll notice the benefits right from the very first tank. EnviroTabs is so easy to use. Simply add a tablet to your fuel tank every time you purchase any gasoline, diesel, or E85 fuels. That's it. EnviroTabs technology takes care of the rest, greatly reducing your vehicle's harmful tailpipe emissions by up to 75%. But the benefits don't stop there. EnviroTabs can also save you money at the pump. You'll see improved fuel mileage with every tank. And EnviroTabs actually reduces the need for higher octane, higher priced premium gasolines, adding even more to your savings. You can experience lower maintenance costs too. EnviroTabs actually eliminates all hard carbon deposits and helps your engine run cleaner and more efficiently, actually extending the life of your engine. Plus, you'll feel a noticeable increase in horsepower. It's no wonder why we call EnviroTabs the world's first multivitamin for your engine. You do your part in leaving our planet a little greener, and EnviroTabs will do its part leaving a little more green in your pocketbook. And that's our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Simply put, if you do not save more money on fuel purchases than the cost of using our product, EnviroTabs will gladly provide you a full refund. Still sound too good to be true? Would you like some additional information on the technology behind this amazing product? Make sure to contact your EnviroTabs independent affiliate if you have any further questions. We know you're going to love using this product, the benefits you'll receive and the benefits you'll be giving to our environment. I would like to thank you for your time and thank you for your interest in EnviroTabs.